progress is for me to do something different, to come up with something which nobody else did before. Designing a battery electric vehicle means that you have to rethink the whole design process, because the car is designed from the inside out. The big challenge is to integrate the battery pack and to offer a huge interior space. To integrate this battery pack, you need a long wheelbase, which is good for proportions, and the long wheelbase is generating short overhangs. But it's something completely new to designing. The basis for a good design are proportions. Breathtaking proportions, and on the other hand, it offers usability for people. As a designer, I love to sketch cars, of course, which I did already since I was a young boy. But it's not only sketching, I love the whole process, from a sketch to develop data, to mill the first full-size model. And I love this process, and design is my passion. If we talk about the exterior design, a very important part in the gene of our DNA is quattro. And in our exterior design, we always visualize quattro. You can see that the design is getting a lot more expressive, a lot more emotional, and a lot more dramatic. We at Audi, we are driven by progress. And with this spirit, we are leading Audi into the future. What is your story of progress?